In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer TurboTax from one computer to another. If you're moving to a new computer and want to bring over information from a previous tax return, TurboTax makes that process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the transfer option inside TurboTax so you can import last year's return from your computer and continue working without having to re-enter everything manually. To begin, make sure you're already signed into TurboTax and inside your current return. Once you're on the main working screen, look toward the left-hand side of the page and click on Tax Tools. This section contains several utility options that aren't always visible right away in the main filing flow. So if you've never used it before, don't worry. It's a common place to find setup and file management features. After opening Tax Tools, click on Tools. This will open a menu with additional actions related to your return. Think of this area as the control center for helpful tasks that sit outside the standard question and answer process. If you don't see the menu immediately, give the page a second to load and then select Tools from the available options. Next, in the Tools menu, click on Transfer last year's TurboTax return from your computer. This is the option you'll use when your prior year tax file is stored locally on a device rather than being automatically pulled in another way. Selecting this tells TurboTax that you want to browse for and import your previous return so it can carry over relevant information into the new tax year. Once you choose that option, click Continue. This moves you forward in the transfer process and lets TurboTax begin guiding you through the import. From there, you'll typically be prompted to locate the prior year tax file on your computer. A helpful tip here is to make sure that file has already been copied over from the old computer to the new one before you start. If needed, you can move it using a USB drive, external hard drive, or secure cloud storage, then save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or documents folder. That's all it takes to get to the transfer feature inside TurboTax. By opening Tax Tools, selecting Tools, choosing the option to transfer last year's return from your computer, and then clicking Continue, you'll be ready to bring your prior tax information into your current return much more efficiently.